In this video, I will guide you how you can deposit in Just Market with Binance. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply click on the deposit option, and you need to make sure to give all of your personal information and your profile information. Now once you have done the verification, the next step is choosing your account and your deposit method. Now this is the main process. You need to simply scroll down until you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD coin or Tether. Now you can go with any other popular coin, so I will simply select the Bitcoin as an example. Now select the network blockchain and you just need to enter the amount how much you want to deposit. So let's say you want to add something like 0.01 and then click on deposit option. Now right now I cannot deposit as I need to verify before depositing or changing my deposit method. But what you need to do is to simply open up your Binance and sign in. Now once you have logged into your Binance, you're just gonna need to select the Bitcoin by going in wallet and clicking on withdraw. As for the address, you will gonna find your address right in the place of deposit as I showed you. You just need to copy that and simply paste it in the Binance and select the network that is showing up on your deposit page. Now once you do so, right now it is selected as Bitcoin, so make sure to select the network as well, and you need to enter the amount and proceed further. Make sure to go with the smaller amount first, which is like $5 to $10. Then you can go with the larger amount. So hope this helps. This is how you can deposit in Just Market with Binance.